track attack, 911. They watch the sniper, shadow in the rain, one breath, one strike, silence through the pain. From the dark I move, no crown, no fame, just ashes in the wind and a whisper of flame. 911. They call the track attack. Pray for my aim, one shot, one soul, never miss the frame. In the dark I reign, no name, no fame, only smoke in the wind and a whisper of flame.
Yeah, shadow in the distance, you can't see me.
Focus,
One breath,
one shot.
one shot.
They whisper danger, calling my name, one shot, one heart. Fire through the vein, in the smoke I rise. No mercy, no claim, only echoes remain. In the ghost of a flame, they feel my presence. Drawn to the flame, one breath, one soul. Running through the pain, through the haze I stand. No fear, no shame, just shadows that burn in the name without name.
All right. Let's see if we can hit this match. Let's put it right here.
They call the marksman.
See if we can smack it.
Their eyes, one breath, one soul. Under crimson sky,
There at the edge. Oh, it's very windy. Hopefully it will stay and we can get a good hit.
Pray for my aim, one shot, one soul, never miss the frame. In the dark I reign, no name, no fame, only smoke in the wind and a whisper of flame.
they call it track attack. Pray for my aim, one shot, one soul, never miss the frame. In the dark I reign, no name, no fame, only smoke in the wind and a whisper of flame.
All right, let me go ahead and mount the phone and see if we can make the shot. I can barely see it. All right, guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there. I'm gonna try to hit it before the wind knocks it down, but I'm gonna hit a 45-degree angle. Hopefully we can do it. Oh, got it. First try. All right, so let's see if we can find it. I could barely see it because it moved further back. So let's see. I saw a hit. I don't think I'll find it though. I'll be extremely lucky if I find it. Okay, I'm gonna mount the phone. Let's see if we can do it. All right, guys. I don't know if you can see it too. It's moving a lot, and it makes it very difficult to hit. I'm gonna give it a try while it's moving. See if I can do it. I hit it and I saw it go that way. Now, I hit it while it was moving. Now, let's take a good look. Wow. let me tell you, the Turan, it's an amazing slingshot. Amazing. It is one of the most accurate slingshots I have ever had. My goodness. There it is, guys. It was right there. Ripped it right off. Now, I don't know where it is. I'm gonna go ahead and try to find it and get back with you guys, okay? So hopefully I can find it here. I saw it go somewhere this way. If you guys see it on the video, you leave it in the comments. I have no clue. Well, I'm gonna look for it a little bit longer, see if I find it. But it's right there, guys. Cool. Let's see what else we can shoot. All right, guys, so after looking for it, there it is, right there. And it looks like I got a headshot by the looks of it. I'm trying to see if I can get it. My handguard. Stuck. Ow. There it is. Look at this, guys. I got a headshot from far away. A beautiful shot. Amazing shot. All right, guys. Let's see what else we can shoot. Look at this feather. Let's see if we can make it fly.
He walks through thunder, through iron and flame, no mercy, no weakness, no heart, no shame. One eye on faith, the other on sin, he pulls the string.
Not too far, maybe about 15 meters. Not too crazy. All right, let me mount the phone and I will get back with you guys in a minute. All right, guys, let's see if we can hit the feather. There you have it. Let me go get it. Here it is, guys. It looked like it just kind of broke it a little bit. It's so light, probably doesn't do anything to it. Guys, thank you for watching. And I want to say one thing, the Turan really gives you the confidence you're gonna hit the target. I've been able to do some amazing shots with this slingshot, the Turan, and I didn't think I was gonna be able to do those shots, but this slingshot has really proved me wrong. This is an amazing masterpiece, and I will always keep it with me. Guys, thank you for watching. The Turan is an amazing slingshot. Guys, get you one if you don't have one. See you in the next video. All right.